Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our last week of online school. Listen, you have done a phenomenal job. We have made this work. I think we've gotten great work done. But I am donezo. I am ready to stop for a while. I'm ready to stop sitting in front of my computer all day, because one of the other things that I've been doing is eating a lot because I've been cooking a lot, and maybe it's starting to show. I'm calling it the COVID-19. It's more like 10, but anyway, I hope you had a good weekend. I thought about you guys a lot over the weekend and made two important decisions about this final week of online school. Decision number one has to do with your test. No, I didn't cancel it. But I know some of you are kind of dreading an all-essay test. And if I'm totally honest, I wasn't super excited about grading an all-essay test. So the deal is I'm going to give you a regular test. I'm going to give you a test that's very much like what you were used to when we were all together, except open book, open notes, because why not? Last test, right? So it's a GradeCam test just like always. The only difference is you don't do it on paper this time. You do it right in the GradeCam website. So I've opened that up. There is a link at the bottom of this, well, under this post, or over it, depending on when it dropped, that you'll click, and it will take you to the GradeCam student portal, which I'm going to show you right now. It looks like this. And that portal, you can basically ignore this part and just hit continue with Google, and it should let you right in. If it doesn't, it may want the number that goes with your GradeCam account. I think that happened in a couple of cases with other folks in other classes. If it does that, you should send an email to Mrs. Winter. She's our tech person for the high school, and her email is swinter, like the season, at springboro.org, and just tell her you can't get into GradeCam and see if she can get you your login code. Copy me on the email if you want. So this is a test. It is assigned now. It is due Thursday, so you got 2 days to do it. It is open book, open notes. However, the work needs to be yours. Any communication with other students, any use of wording from other students, any answers, extended response answers that are the same would get you in trouble. And with this being the last assignment worth a fair amount of points, you'll see in the gradebook how many points it's worth. And, obviously, tanking this one would hurt your chances of passing. So, give it your all. Prove that you actually learned something over this remote learning period. And yeah, that's the second to last assignment. The other decision I made over the weekend is that we need a way to remember this. And, every year I do a class photo with each of my 6 classes. Not that you're ever going to forget this spring. But let's do a class photo. And so your last assignment of this year is to show up on Thursday. You will have a particular time. I'll invite you into a Google Meet in the Google Calendar. Show up at that time. That meet will last as long as it takes for me to take a class picture of all of our lovely faces on the screen, and to say goodbye. And so yeah, that's your last assignment. I'm assigning it today. It is due Thursday, and it is worth 5 whole points. Email me with any questions. We'll still have a meet tomorrow and Wednesday to do our last 2 brain teasers. You can hit me with any questions. Tomorrow is Wednesday. We'll still have a meet tomorrow. We will not have a meet Friday because essentially school's over Thursday. So any questions you want to ask live, come tomorrow. And all right, that's it, folks. See ya.